How to cancel American Airlines flight. I am going to show you how you can cancel an American Airlines flight. You will need your 6-character confirmation. If you don't know your record locator, you can find it in the confirmation email you received when you booked your trip. Choose Change Trip or Cancel Trip in the top toolbar and follow the prompts. There are different steps to getting a refund from American Airlines. Wait until your trip is canceled. It typically doesn't offer refunds or non-refundable tickets when you have voluntarily canceled your trip. This includes choosing to cancel your trip because you are no longer comfortable traveling. To get a refund for a canceled American Airlines flight, visit the pre-funds website. When you arrive on the page, you will see a pop-up box that says your ticket value is safe when you are ready to rebook. To continue with a refund request, click on the blue Refunds button. After clicking on the Refunds button, the pop-up box will close and you will see the information that is engraved behind it. You will need the last name of the passenger associated with the canceled ticket and the ticket number. Read the reservation information carefully to ensure that the correct booking was pulled for the refund request. The next step shows you whether your booking is eligible for a refund. You can also view other options by clicking on the blue options link. If you are eligible for a refund, click on the blue Continue link to submit a formal refund request to American Airlines. You will be asked to fill in your basic contact information including your full name, address, email address, and phone number. The next step asks you to review all of the details for the refund request, including the booking information and your contact information. Choose the option that best describes your reason for requesting a refund and click on Submit. After completing the final review and uploading any necessary supporting documents, you will receive a confirmation number. Keep this handy in case you need to follow up on a refund request or contact American Airlines about it.